What's going on, guys? So we back here at the dyno. Today we got this Integra right here. It's K-swap with a Blackphillbuilt budget kit on it. It does have pistons and rods that we put on the 85. It has a Bull Boost turbo. It's got 1300cc injectors, Marlboro 450 in tank. Like I said, the rest of it's my budget turbo kit, intercooler, downpipe, manifold, wastegate, charge piping, and Chris built the motor and he assembled the car. I just built the turbo kit and he's gonna be on the dyno. And then we got Stumpero over here with his popping out second gear ass transmission. And we're gonna be dynoing that. And we're gonna finally put Milkshake on the dyno. So as every car gets on the dyno, I'll be talking about what car has what. And every motor's pretty much set up different. Milkshake and the Integra both have built motors. Stumpy has a stock K24 in there. The Integra and Milkshake both have built K20s. Stumpy has a stock K24 in there. He's on a Jack Spania 3584 RS. Milkshake's on a what the hell is that turbo? VS 6870. So we're gonna be trying that turbo out. It drives really damn good on the street. The car almost feels like a motor car. This turbo is a Bull Boost turbo. So just gonna be dyno pulls, go out, have some fun, and make some power. Got a little bit lit there at the end. It must sound like a little creep at the top. Chris, explain to everyone what's going on.
Bro,
let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Voltage. What's
it's
that?
like your fucking heartbeat.
Oh no!
You're alive.
Oh
you fucks.
no! What is going
voltage
on
ain't
here?
happy. Everything else looked good, but voltage is slowly starting to tank on us. So either alternator. I'm hoping not ECU. I feel like wiring's fine. It didn't do this before. So possibly alternator.
Yeah.
So that's the second tune that I don't get to do, and this is like a full build by me. So I wanted to make power.
Sometimes you'll have that on the big jobs.
I mean it. Yeah. So I'm striking out again.
Nice. All right, guys. So we got Milkshake on the dyno now. Setup is a VS6870. We got piston and rod, spring retainer K20, stock sleeve, poverty built intake manifold, tactile throttle body, VS Racing bluff valve, 50mm wastegate. Exhaust comes out to like right there. And what is this? A Jack Sparrow engine harness, and E85, 100 tune 2200s, and that's it. Oh, action clutch, C element trans.
Okay.
Yeah, element trans. Still got CRV diff in the rear. We just got to hook drive shaft up after we get up to dyno, and that's it. So let's get to tuning. What's that?
Shake for my baby. We got shredder on the dyno. We got Phil over here. What you doing, guy?
Stumpy tried to save $40,
What is
and
this?
it's $40 is costing us time. It's a PQI
PQI.
wastegate that doesn't work.
What was going on? How was it not
Well,
working?
you're about to see. We're about to show the people.
He's gonna walk over there to a trash can and just let it fall. After he gets the fittings off.
Are you recording this thing in landscape and not just stop it and
We gotta test out this gate we got here. There we go. Got a vape trick. Oh no. Oh no.
Smoke test.
$22 smoke tester.
$22 smoke tester.
That's terrible.
All right, guys. So we got done with Stumpy's car. Final numbers are 510 on 17 pounds. This is a fourth gear pull. No, actually that was a fourth gear pull, right?
Fourth, yeah.
How the hell is it going to 135 and fourth? So you sure this is an EP3? Nah. You sure it's not an EP3 trans?
Small tire, 195 bro.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess we'll just find out when we go to the track. But it's 1:40 in the morning. We're about to close up and head back to the shop.
24 and a half should go up, 150 at the back.
Yeah, we're not going to sleep tonight.
I don't care, buddy.
Yeah, we're not going to sleep tonight. We still got to put traction bar on. And what the hell else we got to do? Traction bar on what?
Traction bar, bolt, and the damn rack and pinion.
Yeah, bolt in the rack and pinion so we don't die tomorrow at the track. And that should be it. Milkshake made 574, but we're out of fuel pump. So we're going to put a Magna Fuel 750 on it. And let's see, K-Power all-wheel drive. 562 is what it made. And that was on like 24 pounds. So that 6870 is comparable to like a next gen 6266.
Do the Jack Spania, bro. Hey.
Yeah.
Jack Spania, man.
This Jack Spania turbo is pretty good. It's comparable to VS 6762 because that all-wheel drive CRX that I did, it made
Compared to my old graph.
490 or where is your old graph on still the same one? No, that's LSV turbo.
My old car had a 67 on it.
Yeah, Stumpy K24 turbo.
It's like fire and run like 15.
I don't know what.
It's probably like, yeah, somewhere in there. Well, no, a little bit further down then.
What the? That's 490. That's 581. So
Just do delete.
that's Milkshake.
That was a floral, ashy. What you do?
Yeah, so this is Stumpy 67, 62 VS Racing Turbo on his old K24, and that motor was a 0405 motor, and it had an EP3 transmission in it. So let me see if it'll do engine speed and be clean. And that car was on like 27 pounds. So his car right now is on 17 pounds. So you guys can see the comparison to it. So I'd rather put a 67, 62 on Milkshake, but I can also manipulate this with quick spool. So I had the quick spool turned down and I wasn't really doing anything with it. And I was also still playing with the fuel. So, but yeah, all in all, good day on the dyno for me. Not so much my guy right here because he can't damn make power for shit.
Customer supplied parts.
Two times. Two times.
Two Turbo K cars just fucking teasing me.
Teasing this man. This man just wants to make
Bad
power
turbo
so.
on the RSX.
We got the same power Milkshake and
Bro, you get got. Oh my god.
I ain't trying to be that guy.
It ain't gonna happen, Captain. Alright guys, we're about to get out of here. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe if you're interested in building turbo. If you're interested in turbo kits, just hit me up and by email, or you can buy a turbo kit off the website, blackbuiltperformance.com. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a good night.